और Kapatisi TV. Kwah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
If you want a real PPF, real protection on your car, just trust on Garware high-tech film. A complete thing from that point of view. A company who is exporting their 90% production to the 100 plus countries. So think what is the quality product which Garware is carrying. So I would request, I would urge to the Meghalaya peoples, if you want a genuine paint protection for your car, please do visit to Cozy Car. I think they have 2 outlets in the Shillong. You can contact maybe to the any outlet, but you will get 100% a genuine Garware PPF on your car from this location. Yeah. So please do visit with your new car, as well as you can get your PPF done on your pre-owned car too. So please contact to Cozy Car and get the best world protection on your car. Thank you so much.
Ka Cozy Cars haka arpsan tarik unailar arjar arpsan. Kalaya telok bat ka Garware high-tech films banta yakipin protection film yaki kali. Bat ka Garware high-tech films kadai ka baju supply yakini ki film syakaleng kiri baper ka perthai. Hakari India bat hakathan syatai lammingi barokoi. Ka jingta yaki paint protection film kan yada yaki kali na ki jingkho karong jongka kali haba senrod. Haka jialang kabalingkot layadon lang ki nong mikmat na ka Garware ba kenthop ya u zonal manager East India u Rakesh Kumar u regional manager North East u Mrinal Mishra kenthop ya utrai jongka Cozy Car u Frankie Joshua Lingdo kakong banala shisha dakhar bat kiwei. Kumban supentep ba ka Cozy Cars kadai ka distributor bat minta kaladai ka registered application studio.
Beli kan kagak sign utama. Dia ngakuat ini kalau people from Master Rakesh Kumar, the General Manager of East India, and Master Vinay Mishra, the General Manager of East. Yeah, from the Garware, Frankie Lingdo, and the last which is the owner of course, Cozy Car, will likely come forward. 2, 3.
Good thing for great driving run. The coffee shop menu item in there, but the lapping in the thing which I have a bunch of electrical. Put the name Snami and Mega Jintre and electrical. Please put the smart carry. And come to me again, to lock to move.
Thank you so much.
Please give a round of applause. Please give a round of applause.
So, first of all, I'm very thankful that all of you made the time to be here and celebrate with us. And I would like to thank Mr. Mrinal, Mr. Rakesh, especially for making the time and having the faith in us to actually grow this the product, not just the product, but to actually bring satisfaction to clients. And not just that, but giving us the opportunity to actually be a part of such a great organization, such a great company. I would like to welcome my friends and our family and our esteemed, our very supportive customers and clients that we have had all these years. And my fellow employees, thank you boys. And I welcome all of you, and I hope that with this program we will be more reflective on what we are doing, a little bit more aware of what we are offering and a little bit more knowledgeable of what we can give others through this program.
A very good afternoon to everyone.
So a bit of journey of how I started here, brief history. So I started this Kosika way back in 2019. So that time when I first started, so in the meantime he got some problem, he left halfway. So I'm there alone. So I continue this journey alone. And then after securing some loan from the bank and taking loan from friends, families, so I was able to come up with this setup here. So I asked him, please, if you come back to Shillong, please work with me and help me in launching this paint protection film. So through the help of him, though it's not yet, it's a lump, he helped me to establish this. At that time, we are the only car detailing in whole of Shillong. For 3 years, we were the only car detailing in whole of Shillong. So we could able to pick up this paint protection. After in 1 year, we were doing this brand, that brand. We were always researching. Then I came across this species. This is in Garware. So I was thinking, what is this Garware? So I was researching online, then contacting the company. So I met Mr. Garware. I think now he's in US. Yes. US. Yes. And then I met Mr. Shaji. Mr. Sumit, yes. Yeah. He was also there coordinating. From there we started picking up. So I was made a distributor of Meghalaya. Okay. So I think I was the first one in Northeast as at those days. So that's how our journey started with Garware. They are really supporting. I've seen the plans. Why I have faith in Garware because I've seen how the work they've done in Kaba. I've seen the plans. I've seen how they do with R&D, So even if I have some problems and maybe cutting warranty, they're always there to support. So that's what I like about Garware. And then they introduced this Mr. Minagi said, let's do this Garware, this gas solution. I said, why not? God is doing it, then that's how I journey with the shop. I know it's not very entertaining talk about, but I hope you get some ideas about how I started this shop. So thank you again for coming, sparing your time.
So coming back to the maybe original portion of this event. So many people I hope know about the Garware, but I just want to highlight few things about the Garware. So Garware High Tech Film is almost 100 years old brand in India, a company who is based out at West Zone. So we have two plants, official two plants in Aurangabad, maybe near to Pune. I think most of the people know about that Aurangabad town. So coming back to the product range, so we are the global leader in making that paint protection film and the sun control film. The product which maybe you are seeing behind me, these all are the sun control film, and the product display on the table are the PPA product, paint protection film. So I am again happy to announce that in Garware we are supplying our product to 97 plus countries, maybe in the entire world. We are supplying 60% of our KPF to US only, and rest maybe to the rest of the world. So we are proud of that. That Garware high-tech film is having maybe 2 or 3 times they are having that award of the best exporter company of India, especially in the sun control film and the paint protection film. Right, and here my colleague is there, Mr. Minal Mishra. I think many of people have know him. He's our regional sales manager for the entire Northeast, and he's working very hard, maybe with the Kosika and the team, and they are very well praising him for his efforts, which he's putting with the team. Right, so we are here. And we want and we request to the entire Meghalaya people that if you want a best car protection for your car and if you want the best sun control protection for your car, please come to that Cozy Car Care in Shillong, Meghalaya and get your car application done here.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all join together for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Here it is.
Kulay ba? Nakita nyo nga kadi Eros lang watri nang tinapo mayrang mission.
Tipitap na ispang ni ka PPF.
Kalong kulay ba? Adin ba nga kini gani kali? Kalong ba awat tip katukan mo nga pwede mo ba plus nang tangan klinik palok kay kalak ba da kadi kali kamtam ba kadi karong mayong ba lalaki na ani lalaki day mau gumto kalak kay tu ha kani karong na na scratch mo mga kalangtub ha kadaw mawat igani kuno banya dai gani sem ba kani ka PPF kumba itu perlok ba wat na YouTube ito sem ba kani kaya dai sa kali bat kumta ngawan le gani
TP lap na ispang ni Kuzikas baka le ka PPF.
Kuzikas lagi snow hi gani ka dukan gani ka Kuzikas nagka plus nagta nga awat mo. Umday ba nga awat tayo gani kaway ka Kuzikas nga awat kiwi-kiwi kung ka detailing lot kita space po mo blade doon kiwi at least day ba din ba nga siyam ni gani nga 1 mi nga lalit mi ar like kili kan pag siyam ba kani ka Kuzikas nadu ba nga kindu nitong ito ilala ka train ni nga siyam siya nga kajing batay jung ki but kajing clean jung ki kalong hun ba yangi but isgaw ba abang wala ni nyumtuan kay kay babena do babatay mi hadu bamantang ada de isam ya kata but kata kapalong ni bangin wan banwan le ami apa Kuzikas
TP kumlo mentakali hadian baladap le
kum bang ong pino do kong bangiwan ang ni kila explain ni bagila hun sisa kata jeng explain pal hadin bakila try ladap try do lulu kapor ti batay ban bu nang hakata kasi wan sim hakata kasi kalong hitik ya kedik sam juga kalau hitik kumta close nang kai bagi try matiru tidak le bnya tidak sim bnya ngalai kendu i try ru ilong hi basimkia isha ka di simkia jom try jom kali ka bukan kapelong ikinong try ru bagi simkia bagi staff baru bagi simkia bagi i bagi ni kajing try jom ki kada ai sisa kajing hun ni bagi kerman bagi ni kajing yang simkia jom ki kadi kajing try storm jom ki kana geti ki akawai kisni bagi bagi blai ru nang kurku kam jom ki nang smart please